A person who brooks no deviations, but who is generous in her praise when things go well, our very own Aragu Annamalai, who has been the co-convener of this carefully planned program, will deliver a formal vote of thanks.
Good afternoon, ladies. Now we need to thank people for having 2 days of such good fun. So I request you all to please settle down just for 2 minutes. I'll be very quick. This light is coming directly on my face. Okay. Good afternoon. We've had 2 days of wonderful friendship and camaraderie. And now I stand before you as the co-convener of this edition of Confetti, the South Zone, to express gratitude to all those who worked tirelessly to see the event bloom, blossom, and shine. Please bear with me as the list is quite long, but knowing me, I would go through it fast. I would like to first express my gratitude to our Dynamic Association President, Saroj Katiyar, for the concept of confetti this year and for permitting District 323 to host the same for the South Zone. Thank you, ma'am. She has been with District Chairman Kamla from day one, guiding the event along despite her other work commitments. Thank you, Madam President. Please put your hands together for our Association President, Saroj Katiyar. Thank you, Association Vice President, Dr. Surjit Kaur, Association Immediate Past President, Vasudha Chandrachud, Association Secretary, Anuradha Chandak, National Editor, Veena Swami, for attending and gracing the event. Your presence has made the fragrance of Mallige stronger. You'll be wondering why I said Mallige. Mallige was a dream Kamla Selvam had. She's been named everything this year in the names of flowers, and Mallige means jasmine. But not to disappoint our president, she retained confetti, but had Mallige in the background. You see Mallige in front of me too. Convener past IIW President Kamla Ramakrishnan is known for her finesse and clarity that she brings to any event while planning. She's been guiding the various committees even from faraway beautiful Switzerland. She has left no stone unturned to ensure that these 2 days were filled with programs that would remain with us delegates forever. Thank you, dear Kamla. District Chairman Kamla Selvam is known for her prowess in planning, delegation, and execution. She's a dynamic leader who dreams big, ensures that those dreams unfold and come true. She has worked tirelessly with every spare minute to make this meet a success. And of course, we have to thank Rotarian Selvam Alagappan for contributing to many a decision from the wings. Thank you, Chairman Kamla and Rotarian Selvam Alagappan. With both our Kamlas at the helm, this event had to bloom into what we have just witnessed. Thank you, dear Chairman and delegates from the 7 southern districts for registering and ensuring Confetti South Zone is a success. I'd like to make a special mention of District Chairman Datsayani Panir Selvam from District 298, District Chairman Jyoti Lakshman Sharda of District 316, District Chairman Pushpa Gururaj of District 318, District Chairman Veena Niranjan of District 319, District Chairman Alamelu Shivaramakrishnan of District 320, District Chairman Sinda Joji, and not Joy ladies, of District 321 from Alleppey. Sinda's a very old friend of mine, and of course, District Chairman Kamla Selvam of our own District 323. We in Innerville would like to thank Dr. Tamilisai Soundarajan, Honorable Governor of the State of Telangana, Lieutenant Governor of the State of Pondicherry, for accepting our invitation and gracing the event as a chief guest. She has left us with some very good thoughts that I'm sure we will keep recollecting. Sunita Reddy, Director of Apollo Hospitals, accepted graciously to receive our Shiro's Award. We indeed were blessed to have her yesterday. Sunita is one of a woman in the city of Chennai. My heartfelt gratitude to Maganlal Mehta and Sons, who are our chief sponsors for the event and for the beautiful show of their diamond connection. A huge round of applause for all the members who practiced tirelessly for this event from the 7 Innerville districts of South Zone. I've said all the numbers, ladies. I'm not going through the numbers again. We have to thank the Violent Sisters, Dr. Lalita and Dr. Nandini, for starting the second day of Confetti South Zone on a mellifluous note. A special note of thanks to Honorable Justice Dr. Anita Sumant for delivering the keynote address and enlightening us. Ladies, she has left behind a thought that we should all think about. Future leaders in the association, please keep it in mind. An expression of gratitude to Mrs. Hemu Ramaya, founder of Landmark, for guiding the panel discussion in which 7 entrepreneurs from 7 participating districts took part. Ladies, I would just like to go through their names once more. Absolutely dynamic that you are. District 298 Sujata, 316 Nagaratna, 318 Janvi, 319 Veena, 320 Priya Nashmaker. She is a lady I've admired, girls. And 321 Leena, 323 Rekha. Thank you, Dr. Surjit Kaur, for your closing remarks. This vote of thanks will not be complete if I do not thank each and every committee chairman who has put in their maximum effort in these trying times to ensure that all is well. Please bear with me as I go through the list. PDC Bhamni Patsadi and PDC Swarnalata Jyoti Kumar, who were in charge of registrations. PDC Nallamai Ramanathan, the lady with the golden fingers, hand, body, everything, who was solely responsible for the wonderful lucky draw. PDC Vasumati Marimuthu and PDC Nalini Olivanan, who handled the programs. PDC Sushi Natraj, PDC Shama Prasanna, PDC Nalini and PDC Seema for being the master of ceremonies. And PDC Kala Ravichandran and PDC Ranganathan also, who was in charge of entertainment, with PDC Sushi Natraj and PDC Shama. PDC Radha Shankar Krishnan and past Association Secretary Padma Preeta Sumant, who handled the venue decoration and amenities. PDC Seema Bhargava, who beautifully managed the food arrangements. PDC Malika and Editor Supriya, District Editor Supriya for the photography. PDC Dr. Shashi Shyam Sundar and PDC Lata Mahalingam for smooth handling of the transport arrangements. PDC Lata Mahalingam and PDC Sushi Natraj for sourcing and packing the beautiful mementos. An expression of gratitude to the District EC of 323, District 323, District Vice Chairman Arasid, AC Member Usha, District Secretary Nasira, District Treasurer Devi, District ESO Arati, District ISO Raki, District Editor Supriya. A big thank you to you all, my dear delegates, for braving the present prevailing conditions, abiding by the rules, making sure that Confetti South Zone was as fragrant as the Mallige, which was the name actually conceived in the beginning by District Chairman Kamla. Kudos to each one of you. Please pat your own backs. I'd like to express my gratitude to the staff and management of ITC Grand Chola, the persons in charge of sound and light, and for the smooth run of these 2 days. A big round of applause for all the sponsors, participants, and organizers. Nandri is a small word to say thank you in Tamil, but it has a whole load of meaning. Mika Mika Nandri. As is of my style, I'd like to wind up by saying, on this road called life, you have to take the good with the bad, smile when you're sad, love what you've got, and remember what you had. Always forgive, but never forget. Learn from your mistakes. People change, things can go wrong, but my dear friends, remember that your ride goes on. Wishing each one of you a safe journey home. Take care, stay healthy. Thank you so much for coming to District 323. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Co-Convener Alagu.